Now, a spin on a classic. So when we launched the Hunt series a little over 4 years ago, we started off with one of our first folders was the Grizzly Creek, which was in profile this knife, but featured also a gut hook and wood handles. This is the Grizzly Ridge, an addition to the family, and kind of gives you just kind of more just a traditional pocket knife with just anodized barreled spacers and anodized thumb lugs for more pop. And then, of course, we added VersaFlex handles. Away with the wood, introduced VersaFlex handles. So again, as we talked about earlier, with a VersaFlex you get comfort and grip. In addition, extra retention in your pocket. Once you slip this in your pocket, the VersaFlex actually helps the knife stay in your pocket a little better, especially for those accidental snagging of your pocket clip where the knife can get pulled out. This VersaFlex actually aids a lot in that, helps the knife not slip out as easily.